So in this video I'm replacing the spark plugs in a Volkswagen Polo 6R. The reason why I'm changing the spark plugs on this car is because the car would hiccup on acceleration, and another reason why is because the car is over 120,000 miles and it's still on the original plugs. As you can see, the spark plugs were pretty far gone in my opinion, and I'm surprised to see that the car was still running and driving as it was. The spark plugs weren't expensive at all, and I got all three for a good deal of £12, and these are Bosch branded spark plugs. Considering this is the first time I've ever changed spark plugs, I'm pretty happy with the result, as the car drove quite a bit smoother after the spark plugs were changed. Hence why I recommend anyone who has a Polo or any other Volkswagen Audi group car with a similar engine to this, which is the 1.2 petrol, I'd recommend you to either get your spark plugs checked or changed, because it only cost me £12 for 3 spark plugs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.